Hey guys, yes, I'm still alive. I changed my hair color back to blonde, to my original color, and now I'm going to the dentist because I have cavities and they had a cancellation appointment, so I'm going in to get my teeth looked at. Actually, I think I'm getting fillings or something, I don't even know. But I just know that I'm getting my cavities removed, 2 of them. So this side and this side on the bottom, they're gonna numb both sides of my mouth. And I probably won't be able to talk afterwards, but I'm gonna bring my camera along with me so you'll see the aftermath of this. But yeah, I think my hair looks good. Looks better than, yeah, looks better, looks good. It was a disaster. You should have seen it before I took a shower. Hi, I just got done with the dentist, and they did 2 fillings, 2, one here, and my whole jaw is numb. I have to be careful. I can't feel my tongue. I can't feel anything. I know I sound horrible because I don't know, but this is all done. I did say that my dentist is beautiful. Beautiful. Eyes, brown eyes. Beautiful brown eyes. Yes. Beautiful brown eyes. He has beautiful brown eyes. I'm gonna go home. And I will see you there. And I have my little light on because I wanted to show you that I have no feeling. For 3 hours they say that I will not have feeling. And I can feel the stick coming out, which is really gross. But they're great. I love them. Yes. They did a really good job. This side, bad. Bad. Right side, bad. It was really deep, close to the nerve. But they said that they think they got it, which is good. Okay, see you later. When I get home, I'll record. Okay, goodbye. Well, I don't care about that. Goodbye.